Hello, road trippers. Travel Towner here, and today we are in Virginia. We are going to be crossing the James River on the Benjamin Harrison Memorial Bridge. We'll travel south and then turn around and make a U-turn and travel northbound across the river for a complete round trip. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.